my name is Joni, holistic health teacher, coach, and consultant. My intention here is to share my work with anyone seeking guidance toward better whole health at this time, and to keep it fun. Our health is truly our wealth. As Jen Sincero suggests, there are roughly 8 million opportunities for mind blowers surrounding you at all times. What she's referring to is satisfaction and joy, and how you can get some. Look up, take in the sky, drop into deep nature, hug a tree, tap into your heart space and notice how much you love someone. Thank your body for hauling you around every day. Thank yourself for showing up here to do this work. Thank your pets for always being more aware of what's going on with you than they may be given credit for. They are so attuned and in devotion to you. Hang out with people who are fun, who you love to dance with, who you love to get outside with, who hold space for you to do you, and who meet you halfway. Once we get into the habit of noticing these things, making that conscious decision to do so, then we open ourselves up to experiencing much more joy and deep satisfaction. I'll link some of those bullet points below. Congratulations on completing the basics of holistic health on this introductory playlist of my channel. These all lead up to how you can find more joy and more satisfaction in life. I appreciate your time and energy. If you've received support here, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel to better support anyone else who may also be in need at this time. If you'd like to book a session with me, please contact me via my website below. Thank you so much, and have a beautiful, beautiful new year.